As I mentioned, the neutral zone is really the toughest zone. It's a sense of lostness, of confusion, of you in between. What am I? Where am I? It's like you lost all your values, all your stand post. And this is very, very uncomfortable. In fact, it's like a car. You know, when you make a shift, a turn, you 90 degrees turn, you need to go on neutral before you start on the first gear again. And this neutral time where you have the impression, okay, what am I doing here? Where's the first gear? Where can I go? And somehow you feel you're stationed there, you're parked there, and the engine has not decided which way to turn. It is very frustrating. People have the impression they're losing their time. They stopped living, but somehow they know that a transformation is going on inside.